we are going to study about the converse of the Pythagorean theorem, and in this lesson we will learn that if the three sides are given to us and we have to find out whether they can make a right triangle or not a right triangle. So in order to prove that the given sides they form or they do not form the right triangle, it's very important that you should know that a square plus b square is equal to c square, and this is basically the Pythagorean theorem. So this is on this side, this is said to be left hand side or LHS, and this side is said to be right hand side, that is RHS. So uh, if the sum of the square of each side, short side, is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, then you can say yes, they can make a right triangle. Otherwise, they cannot make the right triangle. Okay, what do I mean by that? Understand this concept by solving a problem. Here is a question. Determine whether the three side lengths form a right triangle or they do not form a right triangle. So the three sides are given to us. I am writing over here so that you can see easily 3, 4 and 7. Now take any two sides as A and B and the third side as C. So this is the small length. So I take it A and I take it B and I take it C. How I make it A, B and C? Because I thought that 7 is the greatest side. Okay, so I name it as C because C is the longest side. So and the smallest sides I make it as A and B. So I know the formula a square plus b square equals to c square. Now substitute the value. A we took it as 3, so 3 square. B we took it as 4, so 4 square. And c is 7 square. 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16 and 7 square means 49. 9 plus 16 gives us 25. Is 25 equals to 14 or 49? No, it is not 49. Okay, so if they are not equal, so we can say that they cannot make a triangle. Okay, do not form right triangle. I can write like this. But maybe a question comes in your mind that why we took 3 and 4 as A and B. Why not the others one? So let's check. Like it means let's check what is in your mind. So 3, 4 and 7. Okay. So let's try to find out and name it this one as A, this one as C and this one as B, to just find out whether this thing gives us the result or no. So again we have a square plus b square equals to c square. We take a as 3 square, b as 7 square and c is 4, so 4 square. 3 square is 9, 7 square is 49 and 4 square is 60. Now 49 plus 9 gives us 58. Is 58 equals to 16? No, 58 is not equals to 16. So in this case also they cannot make a triangle. Now someone says, Miss again, why this is ABC? Why don't we take this as A, 7 as the A, okay, this 3 as the B and C as a 4. Let's try this one also. So again we have A square plus B square equals to C square. So what is A? We are saying that A is our 7 square. B is 3, so 3 square. Okay, or we already took B and C. Okay, so let's see here. Here we have the C. Let's change few things so that because this one is giving us the exactly same results. So let's try to check and take it in a other way. So let's take this one as our C. 4 is not 4, before it was C. So now let's take C as 3, A this one and B this one. Okay, so A is 4 square, B is 7 square, and C square is 3 square. So 4 square is 16, 7 square is 49, and 3 square is 9. 16 plus 49, it will gives us 65. Is 65 equals to 9? No, 65 is not equal to 9. So see, we try to change and we try each and every method to see that if the sum of the square of the sum of the two sides is equal or not, and we found that they cannot form the right triangle. So let's try the other question. 5, 12 and 13. So I take the 5 as A and 12 as the B and 13 as the C. Reason is that 13 is the longest side. So let's try here. So A square plus B square equals to C square. Now what is A? A, I said that this is 5 square. B, we take it as 12, so it is 12 square. And C, we consider it's 13, so it's 13 square. 5 square is 25 and 12 square is 44 and 13 square is 169. And 144 plus 25, it gives us 4 plus 2, 69. So 169. Is 169 equals to 169? Yes, they are equal. So it means that they form a right triangle. They form a right triangle because here the conditions are fulfilled. Okay, so always take the two shortest side as A and B to prove your theorem and the longest side as the C. Now next question, 3, 3 and square root of 80. Again, this is the shortest side. Let's take it as 3. So square root of, so 3 is the shortest side. So let's say this is A and this is B and this one is 80 is C. Okay, so our formula is A square plus B square equals to C square, which means 3 square plus 3 square equals to 80. 3 square is 9, square root of 80 power 2. 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9 and square root and square always cancel out, so it is only 80. And we know that 9 plus 9 is 18 and is 18 equal to 18? Yes, so they form the right triangle. They form right triangle. Now here a question comes in the mind that why I took A and B as 3, why not 3 and square root 18 as C? What is square root of 18? So try to find out what is square root of 18. If you are using calculator, so you can just write in the calculator, press the SD or the FD button and you will get the answer. But if you don't have, then do the mental math. You know that how can I divide? I know that 9 times 2 gives me 80, right? And square root of 9 is 3. So it is 3 square root of 2. So you can see there is a 3 and there is a 3 square root 2. So definitely 3 is less than 3 square root of 2. That's why I took this one as my C. Okay, and 3 as my A and B. So I hope that this concept is also clear to you. So see you in the next video with the next concept.